Hey everyone, I just wanted to share our fun tip-up idea we have for inventory management in Kanban. So this idea came from one of the welders. We were talking about this, and what we've done is actually implemented an ice fishing tip-up for our first prototype, and now we figured out how to 3D print these. So I wanted to share that with you. So this is actually an ice fishing tip-up. What we've done is we cut it down. So we just had the tip-up portion, and what happens is when you pull that piece off that it was set at, that flag comes out telling you it's time to take the Kanban card to the shelf. Then when they load this back up, this goes back into its place, and it's set again. Now you can see this down here where we used to use cards. You have to count these every time. So now we have this 3D printed fixture. This spring is actually from a welding gun, so that's left over. It was in the trash. We recycled that, 3D printed another piece that then connects to a simple marking flag, which are really cheap. So that's our idea for inventory management for that. We're trying to implement that into more spots. We have one back there that we're working on. So yeah, just want to thank you.